Welcome to this video, where I will guide you how to delete your Waze account directly from your phone. If you want to permanently remove your account and data from the Waze app, this tutorial will make the process simple. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines and tap on them. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Account and Login. Then scroll down to the bottom of the Account section until you see the Delete Account option. Tap on Delete Account to begin the removal process. After that, you will see a prompt asking if you want to continue. Click on Continue to proceed. If prompted, click on Delete both accounts to remove all associated accounts. Confirm by tapping on Delete Waze accounts. This action will permanently delete your Waze account from their system. Always make sure you really want to delete it, as this action cannot be undone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you.